Hello everyone, welcome back to Crown Geek. In this video, I will be explaining that how to enable and install Windows Sandbox on Windows 11 Pro and Home Edition. If you're using a Pro Edition, then what you will have to do, you need to click on your Windows search, type turn Windows feature, and you will be getting turn Windows feature on or off. Click on it. This kind of page will be coming up. Now here you have to scroll down and look for Windows Sandbox. Now here you will find Windows Sandbox. You just need to check this option and then click on OK. Now in case Windows Sandbox is not highlighted and it says Windows Sandbox cannot be installed, the processor does not have the minimum requirement. So if you get this message, then there is no solution to install it. Alright, but if you don't find the Windows Sandbox over here, then probably you are using the Home Edition. So in that case, what you will have to do, right click on your desktop, go up to new and choose text document. Open it, and here you need to paste the code that you will find in the description. So copy the code, come back to this notepad, paste it. Once pasted, you have to click on file, then click on save as, and then here you have to type sandbox enabled .bat. Now this is very important or else it won't work. So the extension .bat you just need to add after the name. Then you need to choose the location wherever you want to save, like I will save on desktop, and then click on save and close it. Now you will see on your desktop this sandbox bat file has been created. Just make a right click on it, choose run as administrator, and this black window will be coming up. And now this will be adding and enabling the Windows Sandbox feature on your Windows 11 Home Edition. So kindly wait until this is all completed. Once it will be done, it says, do you want to restart the computer now? So you just need to press the Y key from your keyboard and the system will be now restarting. And it says you are 30% there, and even you will be getting a message that reinstalling the features. So now the system has been restarted, and if I click on it and search for Windows Sandbox, so you can see the Sandbox option application is now available, which can be easily used. So hopefully guys, you can also enable the Windows Sandbox option very quickly on Windows 11 Home Edition by following few simple steps. And if this worked for you, do not forget to like and subscribe. For any question, let me know in the comment section. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.